Good morning, man. Good to see you again.
Fire's going this morning.
Celebrating that 10th anniversary of Latanier Cookers. Oh, yeah.
Jambalaya down the road.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm getting ready to hit it over there. Check it out. So what you got in the pot?
Making a bread pudding here, and this is stir-fried vegetables with some, we didn't put the chicken yet, but we'll have chicken in it.
Oh, yeah. You're going to have chicken in there.
Stir-fried.
Oh, man.
This is about done. Bread pudding.
Bread pudding.
Yep. I think it's done, actually.
Oh, I tell you, man, you got this art down pat of cooking with them coals. What's that? What's in that little?
That's my sauce for the bread pudding.
The sauce?
Cooking the sauce.
Okay, that's
it's a
cool.
vanilla, custard sauce.
You see what he got going? Yeah, he's making the sauce right now for his bread pudding.
Just got to cook it down and get some thickness to it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hey,
I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Oh, Danny Moe.
This is Danny too.
Hey, Danny, what's going on, man?
Learning from him.
Yeah, he'll teach you.
Peach cobbler.
Oh, gee whiz, dude. Peach cobbler.
Did you put some more on top? I just came up. No, I'll put some on top. Ribs.
Oh, yeah. Now, that's them killer ribs. Oh, I tell you what, Danny. Dang!
We try to make them good.
Looking good. Hey, ladies, what y'all got going on over here? Who in charge of the pot today?
She's in charge of that pot. I'm in charge of it.
All right, all right.
They're not doing a good job. We got chocolate chip cookie brownie.
Chocolate chip cookie brownies.
Oh my goodness,
look at that. Chocolate
chips on the top and triple chocolate brownie on the bottom.
Holy moly. Hey, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
All right, what you got going on in the pot today? So right here you got your bacon cooking down, eh?
Yeah, good slab bacon.
All right.
None of that pre-sliced stuff. That's not good to season with. This is a thick cake.
Oh yeah, and that's your cake that you're working on right there. Boy, that looks good. That looks good, man. We're eating good today, man, for the 10th anniversary of the Latanier Cookers. Yes, indeed. All right, thank you. All right, what you say, bud?
Oh, not a whole lot.
All right. What you got in the pot today?
I got lemon, blueberry, cobbler cake, whatever you want to call it.
Oh, man, that looks good, bud. That looks dang good, man. Heck yeah, what's your first name?
Kurt.
Kurt?
Yep.
All right, Kurt. I think I met you last time I came around. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Now, what kind of ice cream y'all making?
We got some lemon ice cream.
Lemon ice cream.
Lemon vanilla ice cream.
Lemon vanilla. Okay, dokie. Hey, that looks good, bud. All right. Thanks, Kurt.
Something cool for the summer.
That's it, man. We need that today. Are you Miss Kurt?
I'm just a mixer. I'm in charge of mixing up batters and the ice cream, and he just puts it all together.
Hey, that sounds...
He's into the mechanics of things.
Oh, okay, Shad. You're the boss, in other words.
The supervisor.
Supervisor. All right. Hey, what y'all got back here? What you got, Paul?
Oh, not too much.
What y'all cooking, man?
Hey, Chef, how you doing?
Hey, dude, all right. We're doing good, man. What you got in there cooking in there,
Oh,
man?
I'm just doing a little bit of pork fingers on the side. That's nothing to do with
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, you got it on there right now?
Huh?
Is it in there now?
Yeah.
Can I take a look?
Yeah, sure.
You know me, I'm nosy, man. I gotta see what's going on. This is the 10th anniversary, and everybody going on YouTube gonna want to know what's going on.
Well, this is just something I do in the background. I give most of the cooks a little taste.
Oh yeah. Well, I remember last time I cooked out here, you had bought some to me. It was awesome.
Every time we do a Dutch oven, I bring my little pit and I do a batch of pork fingers and give everybody a little taste. And
hey, That's what it's all about, partner. Day of gathering.
I know the ones that the regulars here. I know their mouths watering right now.
Oh yeah, I could smell it when I saw it. I'm like, man, I wasn't hungry till I got to you.
Yeah.
Thanks,
What
buddy.
you say,
All
buddy?
right, haven't seen you in a while, man.
How you been?
We've been doing fine. We've been doing fine.
Good.
I see y'all got things under control out here.
We tried.
Oh
tried.
yeah. Good deal. Good deal. Hey, I'll talk with you later, boy.
Hey,
Hey, girl, what's happening?
Corn and watermelon and pasta salad and something else. I don't know.
Let me see what that is here. Corn,
Okay, so
watermelon, and pasta salad.
look at
Oh,
my little pot I bought in Arkansas.
oh yeah, that's nice. Boy, shit, you could.
That's my new addition.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can make something in there.
Richard said that's a butterfly or a salsa pot. I don't know
Yeah.
what that is.
Well, you can always
I'm doing something.
put some water and ball an egg. Danny and Charlotte Bear.
Yeah, look at that. I had that made in the Smoky Mountains here last year.
Oh, that's nice, boy.
See how they did that on a they printed it on the
Yeah.
computer, and I don't know how they did that. And then I painted mine. You remember when they gave us those? I painted that
Yeah,
so you can see it.
that looks good. That looks good. I love
Where you
that
gonna put the patches?
setup you got right here. Right here, she got her corn.
Corn, you see it? It's coming.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Just buttered corn.
You go, girl.
Look at that butter.
at all
Everything's
that.
good with parquet.
Buttered corn.
Everything's good with parquet.
Oh yeah, man. You're right. You're right. Okay. Thank you.
yeah.
Right here's the raffle area. I tell you what, we've got everything you can imagine. Look at that. How you doing, Shy?
Doing good, and you?
Oh, just fine, just fine.
Good.
Oh yeah. Doing good. Oh, much more.
Easy.
Oh, not much, man. How you doing these days? Good.
Enjoying
deal.
life.
Enjoying life. All right. All right. Hey, buddy. All right. Man, was you in charge of the pot today?
No, Mr. Moe right there. In charge.
Oh, Robbie. What you say, Robbie? Where's the boudin, man?
We couldn't afford it this month.
Oh, man, you should have called me. Yeah, we would have went and get some money from James and got it.
If I had James's money, I'd throw it away.
There's some boudin, man. Oh, Lord, look at this jambalaya working. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
One reason why I'm not there.
Well, you almost have the coolest spot in the park, huh?
Nice right here.
Yeah, it's nice, man. I tell you, it's not no 110 degrees and none of that good stuff, man. That's perfect. That's perfect. All right, guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all after a while. James Minard, what you say, James? What you got to say, bud? What's in the pot right now?
Cajun stir fry.
Cajun stir fry.
All I got to do is add the lettuce a little bit, the cabbage rather.
Man, that looks good. That looks good.
It's got the Trinity and Rotel tomato, ground beef,
All right.
and it's gonna be good.
Good deal. And you're gonna throw in some cabbage
Good
afterwards.
cabbage.
Well, that's
And
gonna,
just get it warmed up where it's still tender, not mushy.
all
It'll
right.
still be crisp.
That's good. I like that. I like that, man. I like my cabbage crisp, man.
Yeah, me too.
Heck yeah. And there's Miss Yvette. Hello, Miss Yvette.
And Miss Emma?
Yep, and that's the lady that does all the good baking. Terrific. Huh?
Waiting on the food. That's
Waiting on the food.
Only pork with Cajun Creole Cookers at Lake Fawcett Point. We're cooking some white beans and ham today.
All right, let's see what you got in that pot. Oh, yeah, that's the white beans cooking, Shay. You know, I think when I get home, I'm going to put my white beans on. You done made me hungry, girl. Dang, it looks good. Oh, yeah, thank you, Melanie.
You're welcome.
All right, James, man. What you and Miss Yvette getting ready to do? I see Miss Yvette's opening up. She getting the cabbage ready.
Finishing up the Cajun stir fry.
Finishing up the Cajun stir fry. Look at that, look at that. Hot dang. Man. Look at that. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
And we're just gonna heat it up to where the cabbage is still crisp, but not soggy.
Oh yeah. Well, crisp is all good, boss.
yeah.
Crisp is all good. Heck yeah. Well, that looks good, James.
Yeah, that's gonna taste good too.
Yeah, that looks good, man. I gotta get me one of them discs. That thing looks nice, boss.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I like that.
Okay, bud, I'm gonna talk with you later. Thanks
All
for
right.
showing us everything, James.
Okay.
All right,
Glad you
bye-bye.
came in. Rotel tomatoes.
How you doing, miss? I'm Chef Bork on YouTube. And look, I know you're gonna enjoy that meal right there.
I'm sure I will.
Yes, ma'am. Where are you from?
Baton Rouge.
Baton Rouge. Well, welcome, welcome. So how's it doing over there?
Look,
This is Melanie.
now it's really boiling.
Oh, yeah. Now what else did you put in there? I can see some
just put
fresh
it-
spices.
I just put a little bit of new seasoning, and I'm fixing to add, when my beans are almost done, I'm gonna add my ham.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you. Stir it up. I need to get another shot of this. Look at that jambalaya. You see that? There's old Robbie Moe, man. That's Robbie Moe. Yeah, he's one of the master chef.
Jambalaya King.
Jambalaya King. All right, Danny Moe's gonna show us what he got now.
Peach cobbler.
Peach cobbler. So that's the finished product right there.
That's the finished product.
All right, Danny. All right, all right.
And barbecue ribs.
That's the ribs. Barbecued ribs. Pork ribs. Damn. Very famous. Famous Danny. Dang.
That's famous Dan's ribs.
Hey, look here, the jambalaya done. The jambalaya is being containerized. Containerizing the jambalaya. All right. What y'all say? What y'all say? Y'all having a good time, huh? And there's Miss Yvette. Miss Yvette.
Good morning.
Hey, thank you so much for that awesome meal.
Miss Emma.
Oh yeah, hot dang. Everybody's mongering out here, chef. Hot dang. Oh yeah. That's where that good old corn's being served right now.
And look, there's some salt here in here.
Oh yeah, got the corn and some fresh watermelon. What's your name, boss?
My name is Billy.
Billy. All right. Go
Billy
get
Liner.
Billy Liner. Go get it, Billy. What it turned out to be?
Cold pasta salad and a brownie.
Oh yeah, boy, I tell you what. Boy, y'all just serving it up, huh, Shay?
Oh, yes. Chicken and vegetable stir
That
fry.
come out real good. The stir fry, chicken and veggie. Oh yes, indeed. Oh yeah, that's the bread pudding. Man,
Come help me some.
I'll be back. And that bunt cake with a little bit of sauce. Yeah, I got the recipe, folks. So look, I'll make y'all one. Ooh, there's the green beans. Green beans, all right.
bacon on top.
All right, bacon on top. That's the ice cream.
Yes, sir.
How that ice cream coming, man?
Oh, it's good. Got a little harder.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, but you got it. You got it working.
It's cold. We don't care.
Oh yeah. What is this again?
Blueberry
Danny
lemon
Moe
cake.
serving up his pork ribs, barbecued pork ribs. Ooh, yeah. And the peach cobbler. Danny, what you got to say?
Come on, get some. Yum, yum, get you some.
Oh, well, it's been a day. Good night, y'all.